Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Want to show you what we did today on a splice. Or this is what somebody else did 5 years ago. Come here. The complaint was the pole light was tripping, and it was between the hot and the ground, and it was right there. You can see hot and ground touching. Some other landscaper did a splice like this underground 5 years ago, or actually it was 3. It's always 3 to 5 years on these splices, and it went bad. So again, you can't splice like that. So we had to re-pole this to show them the pole light, and then come back here. This is a proper way to do a splice. You can get to it later, get an electrical box, a man cover manhole, and then put your blue wire caps, twist it really well, splice it, and bury it, and make sure you remember where that's at if you're going to put bark over. And then we'll put the pole light back on the top, and the photo eye. If the photo eye, it might have blown out when we did this too. We'll test it when we're done. But again, here's how to do a simple thing. This trench is 12 inches deep because they did it 3 years ago. But again, the wire was too short because they moved the light from here over to there. And when they spliced it, that is not a good splice. So again, this is how we tend to do it. Thanks, guys.